Hi, today we're going to be unboxing my Kokobox. A little tiny bit beat up. Came in a mailer like this, just like last time. Let's check it out. This is Kokobox style, not snacks. December box. I always love the insert, you guys know that, but I'm going to look at it last because I like to be surprised. Kokobox. This one comes straight from South Korea. Oh, cute. A little pretty makeup brush. It's a cheek brush. And it's pink and pretty. Luricos Marine Energy True Ampule Mask. Very nice. These look like samples. So we'll come back to those. Dr. AG Intensive Derma Cica Salve Cream. Love Beam Cheek. I absolutely love the packaging. What color do we got? I don't even know. Crazy pink. Right there. Another little sample size item. Ooh. Dr. Frog Intense Eye Lifting Cream. And then let's look at our little samples. Deep Clean Detox Mask. Cool. Ultra Sunblock. Cool. And then Aquamarine Mineral Lotion. I have the eye cream of this one from a different box, so it'll be nice to try this. Let's just really quickly go over our insert. So, Linkos Marine Energy True Ampule Mask, Glasswort. And it gives you a little description how to use it. Lily by Red Love Beam Cheek Brush. Lily by Red Love Beam Cheek number 4. So basically you got a blush and a brush. Cool. Dr. AG Cica Salve Cream. Intense Repair Cream contains Centella asiatica and Camellia Serenta Crenata to help calm redness and irritated skin. And this is Dr. Frog Intense Lifting Eye Cream. Low irritation formula eye cream that improves skin elasticity around eyes and helps diminish wrinkles. Merry Christmas. So this is the Coco Style December box. These are all the items. It is a very nice box in that it gives you a makeup option. It comes straight from Korea, so if you want the authentic feel of getting something straight from Korea, that's awesome if that's what's in it for you. And it's got a couple little samples, and it's got a good variety of items, I will say. So this is Coco Style December. I'm going to leave a link below for you to check out their site if you're interested in purchasing them. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!